Hey traders, welcome to 𝗘𝗃𝗿𝗆's weekly Forex forecast. First of all, thank you for your likes and comments on our last video. As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY, we will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. So all of you who are new to 𝗘𝗃𝗿𝗆's channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one, we were expecting market to drop. We've got this small down wave, corrective structure upside, and then this drop. This structure, guys, was a sign to us that DXY is going to shoot back up. So all of you get in the sell, you must have been taken out for break even, or the worst case scenario is small loss. This structure, guys, shows us a sign that DXY is not ready for the fall as yet. What this means? A corrective structure downward, and then another push up will be coming. Why we are expecting market to go down to these levels? This is something, guys, related to smart money concept, order blocks, and structures. Now, this, guys, is an uptrend, which means market can correct here, go back up, correct, go back up, and then after this up wave, this fall will be coming. Alright? So even if we get a small corrective structure, one push up, a corrective structure, another push up, this will be some sort of ending structure, guys, and then the fall. Are we interested in these buy setups? No. Even if DXY is not ready to us for the down wave, we will not be looking for our buy setups. We will be looking for our sell setups on every new high. Remember this, we are at the top of an uptrend, which means market makers are building liquidity under this one, this area, and under these lows. So, for the first time, the target for this one will be under these lows. So all of you keep an eye on 97.5. This is the target. If we will sell DXY, this is the first target for us. Is that clear, guys, for all of you? Under these lows, we have a lot of liquidity. Now, those of you who wanna buy it, you can absolutely do that. Wait market to give you a corrective structure before you go for your buy setups. Is that clear, guys, for all of you? Euro dollar for this one, we were biased to the upside. Market started this up wave, and then we've got this fall. After this drop, market went up. This was, guys, more than 100 pips move. After this up wave, we've got another drop. We broke this low. So this was, guys, the structure that market gave us here before this drop. What next? Looks like market will correct upwards for another drop. So for us, euro dollar is not ready to shoot up as yet. It's up to you, guys, if you want to go for this buy or you want to wait market to correct upwards for another drop. Those of you who would like to trade reversals, you wait for the buy setups and you go for this one. And those of you who see this as a downtrend, wait market to correct upwards and then you go for the next sell setup. Again, looks like euro dollar is not ready to shoot up as yet. This drop, guys, have changed the structure slightly. And here is a tip for all of you. After you click the trade, you should only get 4 outcomes. Small loss, break even, small win, or big win. Big loss situation shouldn't be one of the outcomes. Make sense? And always remember, in Forex trading, you are working with probabilities. There is nothing called 100%. It's always about probabilities and percentages. So because of that, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not over-risk, and never ever add to losing position. Guys, just try to apply these 4 golden rules and you will see the difference. Now, where will be the next step? What is the bigger picture? Where euro dollar can go next? And is this one of the trades of the week? All of this, guys, will be covered in details this Sunday. Those of you who don't know about our Sunday sessions and our premium analysis service, all the details, guys, are in the description under this video. Pound dollar for this one, I really hope all of you remember this forecast that was posted on TradingView. From here, we stopped you from going into buy setups, and we said, guys, pound dollar will be going down to break this low once more. After this break, we are expecting market to shoot back up. This is exactly what market did. After this drop, we've got this up wave. So we really hope all of you guys remember this forecast and made money with this up wave. Now, those of you who are not following us on TradingView, time to time, we are posting charts there as well, and in details. So make sure to follow us on TradingView, and again, the link is in the description under this video. So, what next for pound dollar? Market started to give us a massive structure, which means this correction, it can be extended. What I mean by that? Corrective structure upwards for another drop. And this drop can stop here or under this low. Which means, guys, pound dollar might not be ready for the up wave. Even after breaking this low, the up move will be temporary. Forget about that for now. Let me repeat this. This corrective structure, guys, it might go all the way down to break this low once more. It doesn't have to, but looks like this corrective structure is going to extend. Now, are we going to buy this one? Probably not. We'll wait market to give us a complete corrective structure, and then we'll take decision. For now, we will wait for pound dollar. Aussie dollar for this one, you know that we are only sellers. So those of you who are in the sell, keep moving your stops. We were expecting market to go up as a pullback or as a complete corrective structure. Those of you who are not familiar with wave analysis, this is the structure that market gave us. This is some sort of running flat and then another drop. What next? Even if market will correct upwards, we will be looking for our sell setups only. So for Aussie dollar, we are only sellers. Those of you who wanna buy it, is up to you. For us, we are already in the sell, and we will manage our trades. This corrective structure, guys, was a bit tough to spot. So even if you are expert in wave analysis, last week was a bit tough regarding structures. Dorian for this one, even I'm not feeling well today, but I have decided to record this Forex forecast, especially for those who are asking about yen pairs. We were expecting dollar yen to drop. Market gapped here, and then we've got this up wave to break this top. What after that? We've got a corrective structure, another push up. Corrective structure, another push up. And remember this, we are not controlling the market. GXY is at all-time low. Those of you who don't know what is GXY, it's the yen index. And dollar yen went up more than 1000 pips without a big corrective structure or even a pullback. So again, if we said that we are expecting dollar yen to drop, that doesn't mean you go on Monday and you jump in. Wait your sell setup and follow our 4 golden rules. Is that clear? So our 4 golden rules are at the end of this video or in the first comment. So, even with this up wave, our bias hasn't changed. If market will correct for another push up, another 4 will be coming. Keep an eye, guys, on 127 level. Anytime market will give us a new high, we will look for our sell setups. Now, those of you who have different bias, you can go for the buy setups, guys. We are not stopping you from buying it. But based on the structure, based on GXY, and how market is moving here, looks like market makers are building liquidity under these lows, and especially under these lows here. So the first down wave will be going all the way down to break these lows, and then we'll update you. Make sense? This trend is about to end. Now, do we have tools, characteristics, or any sort of structure to spot a trend reversal? 100% we have. And that's why, guys, we have our Masterclass courses to teach you how to trade correctly. This is not a promotion, guys, about our Masterclass. Those of you are interested, you can find all the details on our website, Masterclass page. I'm just warning you to not follow anyone blindly. Instead, learn how to trade correctly. Anyway, coming back to dollar yen. Anytime market will give us a sell setup, we are going to take it. New Zealand dollar for this one, you know that we were biased to the downside, and this was also a forecast posted on TradingView. So I'm repeating that, time to time, we are posting charts on TradingView. So all of you are not following us there as yet, You can find the link of our TradingView profile in the description under this video. We really hope all of you get in this sell and are making money. What next? Looks like market will be dropping, start a big corrective structure for another fall. So for New Zealand dollar, we are still biased to the downside. Those of you who wanna buy this one is up to you. For us, we are in the sells and we are managing our trades. Pound yen for this one, anytime market will give us a new high, we are going to look for our sell setups. So every new high, it will be the potential last high before the drop. Again, since most of you guys are liking and commenting, that's why every time I'm explaining you more and more. And regarding this one, let me explain you one thing. This is a slow uptrend, which means market makers are pushing retail traders to buy this. And most of retail traders who follow the trend, they will buy too late or they will buy at the end of the uptrend. What I mean by that? Retail traders who follow the trend, and don't get me wrong guys, following the trend is better than trade reversals. And let me explain you why here in details. Retail traders who are trend followers, they get in the trend too late. Means somewhere here as breakout traders or after this retracement and then up again. A lot of them, they wait market to give you two breakouts and then go for the next buy setup. The main problem for retail traders who trade with the trend, they are too late in the trend first of all, and second of all is the risk to reward. Which means if you wait market to break twice, most of them, they go for the target above this top. Which means if they enter here, the target is here. And that's why if you are a trend follower, wave analysis will help you a lot to maximize risk to reward. Now, those of you who would like to trade reversals, most of the times they will get a loss, and then the win. And as most of you can see, in this scenario guys, you might get 3 to 4 buy setups if you are a trend follower, and 1 setup if you trade reversals. Again, this depends on your trading style and depends on your personality. I will not go guys into too much details because if I'll explain more, this will be not fair for our private Slack group members. Alright, this is not a course, I'm just explaining you guys the difference and that no matter what type of trader you are, wave analysis will help you a lot. The rule in this, you have to learn it correctly. Yes oil, we really hope that you remember this forecast. After this up wave, we said market needs to correct. We've got this corrective structure. After this drop, we posted this one on TradingView and we said guys, look for this up wave. Market started to go up. If you are in the buy, you manage your trades. If market gave us a small corrective structure, another push up will be coming. And those of you who remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Guys, your supportive comments and likes will push us to be here every single week and will push us to explain you more. Gold for this one, you know that we're expecting market to correct for another up wave. And we said this up wave will be going all the way up to 1970. Right? Not only that, this was one of the trades of the week that was covered in our live Sunday session. Do we have a proof for that? Sure. Let me show you this.
So the first one will be the trade of the week will be gold. Gold, we are expecting market to start to go to the upside. Our target for this week, or probably, in the next 10 days, 1970. That's your first target. Well, it starts from here, well, it starts below this one. I would potentially wait for this one as a corrective structure, one more break, then look for a buy. And that buy might take me all the way to 1970 level. Okay.
So we really hope all of you trade gold, get in this buy, and made money in this up wave. What next? We are expecting market to correct for another push up. This corrective structure, guys, we are expecting it to be something similar to this one. After the completion of this corrective structure, another up wave will be coming here. This is what we can see for now. Is this one of our trades of the week again? We will let you know this Sunday. Dollar CAD for this one, this was amazing. As soon as we posted this one on TradingView, market went up more than 250 pips. And this drop, guys, was covered on our Wednesday session. What next? If market corrects here, another push up will be coming. And this corrective structure, guys, it might be extended to under this low. Why under this low? This is something related to order blocks, smart money concept, supply and demand, and corrective structures. This down wave, guys, it doesn't have to break this low. But even if it does, we'll be looking for our buy setups only. All of you are in the buy, you manage your trades, and let market unfold. And those of you who don't know, our wave analysis concept is a combination of Elliott waves, price action, candlestick patterns, order blocks, supply and demand, smart money concept, Dow theory, and our findings. Not only that, we do not rely only on wave analysis. We also do fundamental analysis, and we analyze the macroeconomic factors. Silver for this one, you know that we're expecting market to go up, especially our premium analysis service members. So if you get in this buy, we really hope that you made profits in this up wave. Those of you who get in this buy, you take profits and you wait. This was the trade and this was the move. Our premium analysis service members, we hope that you remember 25.5 level. Bitcoin for this one, market will be going back up. All of this is just a part of the corrective structure for another push up. So anytime we get a buy setup, we are going to take it. For Bitcoin, we are buyers, and the next near stop is at 50K. What if this one will be falling under this low and this low? This will be a better opportunity to invest again. For now, we cannot see this. All we can see is this some sort of a complex structure, and the next wave, it will be going back up. After this up move, another drop, and then another up wave. All these three waves, guys, we can see them in advance. In all the cases, we are buyers. S&P 500, you know that we are buyers. Market is correcting here for another push up. So anytime we get a buy setup, we are going to take it. For S&P 500, we are biased to the upside. If you want to know more about this one and other indices, subscribe to our premium analysis service because we are covering all of them on Sunday sessions. With that note, guys, I wish you a happy Easter, especially for those who are celebrating it. Enjoy the holidays, spend time with your family and friends, and you come back on Tuesday to trade again. You trade with care, do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.